Good morning. That's my coffee maker in the back making all types of noise. I just got back from the gym, as you can see, hella sweaty. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating today. It's a little different from what I usually eat. So I'm gonna take a shower real quick and then we're gonna make breakfast. A little quick breakfast, a little instant breakfast. That was a little clue. Oh my gosh, so scary, you guys. Stay safe out there. Wash your hands. Stay indoors. This is why I'm at home for the whole weekend, okay? All right, I'm done taking a shower. Got my natural hair out. I am in for the week, okay? This whole coronavirus thing is scaring me. So I switched up my meals from my last video because I feel like I was eating eggs and ground chicken, tacos, you know, for breakfast for like 3 months. And I was like, all right, let's switch it up. So today I'm gonna make a little oatmeal bowl. So I'm eating, I guess, 2 small meals. Well, just 3 meals today instead of my normal 2. And I'm still intermittent fasting, which means my last meal is around 4 or 5 and I'm not eating until the next day around like 9 or 10. And that's like just become normal for me. Like it's not hard anymore. It doesn't, like I don't even really track the hours anymore. I just stop around 4 or 5 and then the next morning I'm like, all right, 10 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock, time to eat. So I have my coffee right here. I make coffee every single morning. Like I live for black coffee with stevia. I like using the Quaker instant oatmeal because it is easy to make. This is just, I guess, sugar-free, nothing's added. Is there sugar in here? Yeah, no. I was like, wait, is there sugar? No. Sugar-free, 100 calories, you know the deal. Y'all seen this. You have to get the basic one because we don't need all that sugar, okay? I cut up my banana and strawberries. So this is about 1.8 ounces of banana and 21 grams of strawberries. And I'm just gonna weigh let's weigh the pecans, shall we? And you don't have to weigh your food. I'm doing this because I'm just trying to stay on track, making sure I don't overeat or undereat. Are we there yet? Oh! That's okay. 35 grams of pecans. All right, these are coconut flakes. Remember when I used to do my little keto bowl? I use these a lot, so I'm bringing them back. This just adds like a little bit of sweetness and flavor. I'm trying to go for 10 grams here. Come on. Come on. Oh shit. Boom. I also measured out almond milk. I like this just for thickness. Like I don't like my oatmeal to be watery at all. All right, so we have the instant oatmeal, almond milk. I'm gonna add a little bit of water because I feel like it's like not enough. I don't like I don't like it watery, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. Yeah, that should be good. Add a little cinnamon, and then we're gonna put her in the microwave. Listen, okay, before you guys make fun of me for how my oatmeal looks, understand I do not like watery oatmeal. Like I like it thick. So to each their own, but I'm just saying. Okay, don't come for me. All right, last but not least, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 365 Whole Foods cream butter, and I have my Fitness Pal open. I log everything because, you know, I'm tracking my macros. All right, I wanted to like drizzle, you know, over, but I don't think that's gonna work. Just gonna put it right in the center. And I'm just gonna lick the rest of this. Listen, you gotta eat everything, okay? So boom, there you have it, 646 calories. Doesn't this look so bomb? I cannot wait to dig into this. Okay, I have to document the first bite. Ooh, look at it. Chunky. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Look what Les came home with, you guys. Wait, hold on. Ooh. The donut, the fried chicken donut burger. Are you excited about this or what?
I don't know. I expected more cream on it.
Oh.
It looks dry to me for some reason.
Oh, he's disappointed. Oh, it does look kind of dry.
Oh, maybe it's on the bottom. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
It's still kind of dry.
Oh my god, fried chicken donut. You guys. Listen, I went upstairs, did my little makeup, and then he came down with this. Like, I'm on a diet, so I don't even want to look at it. Well, I do want to look at it. I can't eat the whole thing, but I'm gonna have a little bite, okay? Like, this size. Like a little tiny bite. Little teeny bite. I might have ordered the wrong thing because there's bones up in there. I don't think that's supposed to have bones. He said it was a little confusing how they ordered it, right? Like they could have done a better job.
Yeah, I mean when you go in there it says 1 donut or 2 donuts. And then it says order a breast, wing, or thigh, and I'm thinking it's supposed to be like a sandwich. I don't know. Maybe that location I went to just doesn't have it set up that way.
Disappointed. Maybe I won't try it then, cause listen, KFC, you guys need to get it together in California, okay? You guys, the donut is in the trash. Les said it was no bueno, right?
Yeah, especially for the calorie count, it's not worth it.
So don't try it, you guys. Stick to your diet. Okay, so I only have one serving of meat left, so I'm gonna make some ground turkey breast real quick. I'm gonna meal prep probably like 4 of these, so I have it for the week. Usually I do ground chicken, but they're out because people are savages at the store. Y'all know why. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I meal prep my meat. I love this brand, Mary's. I get it at Whole Foods. So I put all 4 pounds up in here, and in between I season. So as soon as I put, one of these containers in, I'll season it with chili powder, okay? Flavor God, garlic lovers. I pretty much just put as much seasoning as possible. Cajun lovers, and my personal favorite, everything spicy. I let this cook for like 20-30 minutes. Boom, and it's done. So as soon as it's done, I just measure everything out on my little scale and let it cool down and then put it in the refrigerator. Honestly, today's kind of a busy cooking day. You can see all my meal prep back there cooling off before I put it in the refrigerator. So for lunch, we're gonna have tacos. I know I make tacos all the time, but honestly, like, they're the easiest, just most tasty thing to make, and I just love them. I'm gonna keep making them until I get sick of them, okay? This meal's pretty easy. I just need the ground turkey, mild cheddar cheese, my Siete almond flour tortillas, so freaking bomb, and spinach. So this is pretty easy. I just make the tortilla, add the cheese, and then add, ooh, look at that, spinach and ground turkey. Or you could do ground chicken or ground beef. Just like a super lean, healthy taco. And boom, there's lunch. It's a little messy, but it still tastes good. So the past like hour and a half, I've been thinking, I'm like, dang, what if like they really put everyone on lockdown and we're like trapped in our houses? Not trapped, but quarantined to our houses for like a week. Like just being at home this weekend, I'm kind of like, I might go crazy. And it's like not nice weather, it's rainy, so you really have to be in the house. Not like you can go outside in the backyard, nothing. Let's just hope that doesn't happen, okay? As much as I love being at home. Ooh. All right, you guys, last meal of the day. We'll just call this the leftovers meal. We're gonna make a little chicken bowl. I was about to say a protein bowl, which, I mean, it's just protein, carbs, everything bowl, okay? We're making a little chicken bowl. A bowl. All right, we're gonna start with rice up in here. Then I'm gonna add lentils that I meal prepped. You guys can see it right here. And then I'm gonna add spinach, ground chicken, and cheese. You guys can see what it looks like here. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave, and then when it comes out, I'm gonna add avocado. Ooh, it's hot. Get that out of the microwave. Ooh, looks good. I'm gonna finish off the little chicken bowl with avocado. Boom, and there you have it. I know some of you guys are probably looking at this like, boring. But listen, like if you wanna tighten up, you wanna lose fat, you wanna get it all the way together, you have to eat clean and lean, and voila, there it is right there. What I eat in a day. Oh, also, because I know you guys are gonna ask, the legumes, the lentils, those are a legume, so they're high in protein and carbs, but they don't feel heavy, so they're a good substitute when you want to eat less volume of food. So, like when I want to scale back on eating rice, I'll eat lentils. And they're super unflavorful. I'm not gonna lie. Like you have to add health flavor to them, but they're really good for you. So definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, what I eat in a day. I switched it up for you guys because my little egg tacos, they were, you know, like I said before, getting old. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I know you're not subscribed. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on this video, and I'll see y'all next time.